magkano? Ayan, magkano ba? So normally, ang allowance na binibigay sa kanila per month. Welcome back to my channel mga kapanalig, and for today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung pag-a-apply ng MTP sa SIA Engineering Company Philippines. So, previously owned sila ng SIA Engineering Company Singapore and then Cebu Pacific, pero now fully owned na sila ng SIA Engineering Company. And then located sila sa Clark, Pampanga, and there's no walk-in rin. So, apply lang is dito rin lang sa link na to. Nagpo-post rin naman sila pag may hiring. And then SHAEP, as we know it, can support B737, Boeing 777, Airbus A320 FAM, Airbus 330. Ayan. So, based on line maintenance rin sila. Meron rin sila mga NDT. Ayan. And ito yung application process na for their MTP. Of course, ang first step ay ang pag-a-apply. So, send your documents, send your resume, ganyan. And then second one is your initial exam. So after your initial exam, you will have 2 interviews. So yung interview is from HR, and then doon sa magte-train sa your trainer interview. And then after that, you'll comply with your requirements. And then after that, onboarding na. So it may sounds na ang bilis, pero it normally take like 1 to 2 months. So patience is a virtue. And then after that, your training for MTP will be at least 1 to 2 years or 12 to 24 months. It depends on your skills and of course training program na meron sila. And ito, yung lagi naman rin talaga tinatanong, magkano? Ayan, magkano ba? So normally, ang allowance na binibigay sa kanila per month is around 7,500 pesos. And after that, doon ako nagulat kasi after nun, pag nakapasa mo yung MTP mo, you'll have around 20 to 22,000. Yun yung range ng or average na survey natin. Ayan, ayon sa ating mga reliable source. So ayun lang mga kapanalig. So if you're interested, follow them on their official page, LinkedIn, ganyan. And maraming salamat sa panonood ng vlog natin. We'll have more aviation contents for you. Maraming salamat and all the best sa mga nag-a-apply.